I know I am. I'm already recording. I'm already recording. Anyways, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do something just a little bit different.
Yeah.
This is my best friend Haley.
Hi.
So I decided to vlog a little bit because we're going shopping.
I almost said that. I was like, yeah.
So anyways, it is Sunday. What's today's date? I don't even know.
Sometime
The 3rd or the
March.
4th? I know, right? It's someday in
Oh, it's
March.
the 4th, yeah.
But yeah, it's the 4th, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sunday 4th. Anyways, so let's get to it.
Hold on. We got a very beautiful mountain though.
I know. That's about it.
Stupid tree. Move.
And then me. There's me.
I know,
And I'm all in this view.
Very pretty. That's what we got. That's what people come to see.
Oh yeah.
Just kidding. They come to see
And I know.
Get some damn gas. Damn pop. Got a piece of it. Yeah, I'm wearing shorts.
I'm wearing pants because I'm small.
Well, I figured it was gonna be fucking hot. Thanks.
Vlog target too. I'm like,
Don't get hit by a car now.
I know. I'm trying to do a vlog and then I get knocked out. I'm all, that'll get us some views. Okay, guys. Every time I go to start it. Okay. So Target was a big flop for me. It didn't work. Wasn't for me, but then this person, I was gonna say something else, but I'm like, I'm not going to. Bought basically $90 worth of stuff, and I'm over here like, hey, I got a coffee. Or a tea, I mean. That's what I got. I'm like, this is all I got. And it was free because I have a reward, so yay, I win. Just kidding.
Yeah, I got a new purse.
Your face, you're all. So now we're at In-N-Out.
Go.
Getting our food on. Oh wait, it's in drive already. I thought it was in park. So that's where we're at this point. Next stop is Ulta.
And we're gonna spend more money.
And that place, I'm gonna spend some money. That's the show. What about you, baby girl? I'm like, hell yeah, you are.
What's going on with my hair?
I know your hair's like all crazy, and this lighting is like not good. But
I'm not too flattered.
I know, right? Not too flattering. I look like shit. Ugh. Don't you love when you wear sunglasses and it just like leaves marks on your nose?
Oh yeah, like wipes off half your makeup.
Yeah, so cool. Love it. Anyways, okay, so that's where we at. Okay. Talk to you guys later. I'll do it. Oh. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm about to crash.
Oh god.
Okay, so where did we go? went to Ulta and then Bed Bath & Beyond. I picked up some products.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm really hyper and tired and I really need a coffee. I need like another coffee.
No.
Is this mine? Yeah. So yeah, we picked up some stuff and then we went to at Ulta and then Bed Bath & Beyond. I just got a pillowcase. Yeah. Does it look okay? Like the lighting and everything? Okay. It's really
like it's really zoomed though. I feel like it's really close to your face.
It's really freaking hard to like vlog with your camera on your phone. Anyways.
Usually
photo booth. See how well this goes. This foundation is horrible on you guys. I'm all whole. Hi, baby. Anyways, so we're at the mall and we went where? Ulta? Yeah, we went to Ulta, Bed Bath & Beyond.
Did it not work?
Huh? I don't know if it works or not.
In a minute, yeah.
But anyways,
hope nobody's...
I will check in with you guys later. Woo! Okay, hi guys. So we just got done shopping and we spent way too much money. Way too much, and we bought way too much shit.
We're like wearing it.
Look at all those bags. Yeah, we're basically wearing it. I just bought this jacket. Hey, super cute. Yeah. And she just bought that freaking skirt and that necklace. Yeah, we have a problem. Anyway, so yeah, shopping's done. We went to Forever 21, Q, H&M.
Yeah.
Where else?
We went to Victoria's Secret for like a second.
Yeah, but we didn't get nothing from there, and this is like making me look way.
Ulta.
Wait. Oh yeah, we did go to Ulta. We went to Target. Went to a lot of places. It's 6:30 and we got here at what, like 1? Just a couple hours. Yeah, not too bad. It's not too shabby. But yeah, that's it.
God, it's been way too much.
So I think I'm just gonna end this here. Even though we really didn't show much of what we were doing, but it's really hard to vlog, you guys. Like, I'm exhausted. Mama's like tired. I'm always exhausting, isn't it? Is it not?
It's pretty tired.
I know.
Well, that's why we got more coffee.
I know. This is my 3rd stop at Starbucks. Got a problem. But fair enough. The second one was free, so that counts for. And then the first one she bought, so. Hey. I'm all, who's winning? You're all, this bitch. It's true. So I think we're gonna go to In-N-Out for the second time today. Because it was bomb. I wasn't gonna say bomb diggity. So gay.
But you gotta actually eat it all this time.
I left like not even a quarter.
You didn't eat any of your fries. Yeah,
because the fries were fucking, excuse my language, were nasty as hell. And then I go and cuss again. Anyways, so I think I'm gonna end it here. We're gonna go eat. We're heading home and it's gonna take 3 hours. So, hey, bye guys. Say bye. I'm gonna say bye. Say bye. Oh, wait, hold on. It won't let me zoom.
I lost a nail too.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
When?
When I was putting on pants.
You didn't tell me.
I know, it fucking hurt. That's why. I was all.
What? At what store?
Forever 21.
What? I didn't even notice.
Yeah, I forgot. I think it was that skirt when I was trying to fit it over my ass. It was like, it snapped and I was all.
You didn't even say nothing. She didn't flinch. I would have never even guessed. Like, at all.
Yeah, and then I crawled underneath.
And I'm actually wearing the Estee Lauder foundation that I reviewed yesterday, and it looks horrible, you guys. It looks freaking horrible. It just looks bad,
Did you do it today?
Yeah, no, I did it today.
Yeah, it looks terrible.
No, it looks terrible.
Does mine still look pretty good? Probably. Because this foundation is great. You should get this foundation.
This looks really bad, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna return it actually tomorrow. Not good, not good. Well, none of this held up. I mean, my eyebrows look like crap too. Anyways, that's what these are for. See? Oh, right in the eye. See ya! Okay, bye guys.